Welcome back, everybody. Mike from Everyday Off-Road. Today we caught a break. Seem to have some really nice weather. Very low wind. You'll be able to hear that on the, well, not able to hear it on the microphone. We had an option to do two things today. One of which was the battery trails for trail rig, or the universal joint and axle shaft for our high pinion Dana 30. Tossed a coin and the Dana won. So let's go over here and do some wrenching. Alright, one of the things we just added recently, or revised, one of my favorite things to have out here, are hitch mounted vise. We did have this before, but it was a dinky little 4-incher. Wasn't very strong. Well, we got a nice heavy 6-incher. An R axle shaft here. We need to try to extract those retaining clips, all 4 of them, and press these caps through, releasing the center cross. Normally I hammer them, use a big socket, but I believe what we should try to do this time, since we have the tooling, use the ball joint press. Now, I have not used this for this type of application, but hey, doesn't hurt to try, right? Where to start? Well, screwdriver and hammer are probably a good start. I'll get up underneath here and get rid of some of this junk. Now, I'm going to say right now, there's not a big charge in the camera, so I might lose you guys. I think what I'll do is I'll go put you guys on charge and hopefully be able to do some recording then. See you in a little bit. All right, got a little charge in the camera. Thought I'd show you. Ball joint press fits in the vise real nice and snug actually. Allows you to sit the yoke down inside here. The opening allows the end cap from this side to come through. A little bit of pressure here and a light tap there with a hammer. Now, as you can see, our ball joint a light hit there with a hammer. Our bearing cap for this universal joint is thusly moving. Had a bit of a problem getting the clip out of here, as a lot of this was just destroyed, but a hammer and a screwdriver made quick work of getting it out. So I'm going to try to save some battery time here. I'm going to turn you guys off and bring you back when we got some progress. Alright, brought you back. As you can see, we got our bearing cap pushed through. Now I want to get this ram out of the way. Figured I would show you one of the nastiest sights you could ever think to find in a universal joint. And that would be this side. You ready? No bearings. Bearing cap is utterly destroyed. Oh man, that just looks, oh god, pooched. So what we do now is we flip it over, and well, hey, maybe we don't have to. Maybe we have enough room here with these caps being demolished. Let me see if I can get that out without having to press it through. Alright, bring it back. Can't get the retaining clips out, so therefore we can't press. Hang on! Road mosquito. Alright. Can't get the retaining clips out. Can't press. Otherwise we'll damage the ears. So, since we may not be able to rebuild it, let's cut them out. At least one section. Alright, knock the center section out. I'm gonna get my grinding shield and put you guys in a safe spot, and we'll bring you back then. Alright. That was a mess. We made one cut through with our grinder. I allowed the center cross to fall out. Now we gotta press these through. Well, we were able to tap those bearing caps out, but looking at the condition of this tone ring, you know we're not going to be using ABS to still get in the way in the housing. It's out of round. I don't know if you can see it over here. It took a couple hits. This is actually pushed out. Looking at the overall condition, assessing this and the condition of that shaft, I think I'm gonna stop right here. I'm wondering if it is just a better idea just to start fresh. I can get an inner shaft and an outer shaft set without the universal rather cheaply, and since I do not need ABS, I can look for an outer non-ABS with the large universal. Now I know I can get them from Quadratec. I love Quadratec. I love Quadratec. Stuff gets here within 2 days. It's only down in Norristown, and we're just like north of Philly. So I think we're going to call this the video for today. We have proven that the ball joint press, when coupled with our hitch mounted vise, makes for a very nice universal press. Damage is done. All we can do is lick our wounds. Just got beeped. We're running out of juice in the camera. Alright, so this is Mike for Everyday Off-Road. If you like the video, like watching us fail, like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like the video and you give us a thumbs down, please tell us. Tell us what we can do to make your time with us more enjoyable. If you like the video and you would like to see more of our escapades here in Everyday Off-Road, click the subscribe button, and you know what, while you're there clicking the subscribe button, hit the notification icons, that little bell. That will send you an email every time I post new content. Alright, so I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by and wrenching with me for a little while. Until next time, later. And of course, that ain't good.